Okay, guys. Well, it's almost lunch. Okay, we see the Nasdaq trying to break the second ATR. Nasdaq, the ES just went here and did. Let's see, tag the first ATR. It could have been a good long here, guys, but I was not in the PC. Then it tagged the second ATR again. Okay, this is a sweet spot. This is the best spot that you can take a trade, guys. As you see the W here. Okay, so what happens here? If you, for example, just want to explain this for you to understand what the boxes mean and what the boxes can tell you. Okay, so for example, you see these boxes here. One, let let me see if I can write them down in text. See one here. One, okay, and we see the second one here. Okay, so one, two. So market is not going higher, guys. Okay, you see this? If you are in a trade, exit the trade because the market is holding. Okay, so market is not trending. Okay, so you see here, then we see three boxes over here. Remember, I always tell you about this setup. Okay, you see one, two, three. There's the triangle. Okay, that means something. That means something to me. Well, I have been making, trading for a long time. And this pattern repeats all the time. So that means something. I got a little bit late to this long, but I just want to see the market break that high so we can do a position to the close. And because market is very slow right now, it's very slow and it's uh, pulling back too much. I don't like that much pullback, so I would like to see the market go higher. Else, if over here, if I see the market just not going higher from here, I'm gonna exit the trade, and I don't care if I lose or whatever. I don't care. It's a Friday, and I don't want to be frustrated with a losing trade. Okay, so it's very early still, very early. So let's see. We have correlation dots. We see an imbalance picking it up over here. We saw 1,200 contracts in the first push in the micro ES. Then we see 3,700 contracts in the push. These are trap traders that just hit the wall here, and these guys that were short here, they filled the long to the upside. Okay, so it's something that you need to take into consideration. Still, I don't see any imbalance in the ES, which I don't like. We should see an imbalance of at least 1,200 contracts or 2,000 contracts, but still not. Only the Nasdaq is trying to break, but still very shy. Okay, so we're gonna keep holding this trade. Let's see if we can get to the target. I do believe market can go higher, but else if the Nasdaq does another crazy thing, we're not gonna get there. Okay, so let's hope this market can continue crawling slowly higher and get to the target. Okay, guys, this market is crawling a little bit, so we're still holding the trade. I like it. It's very slow right now. Market is trading very slowly. I will try to capture at least one contract here and see how it goes. Nasdaq is breaking as expected. Okay, so we're continuing this trade. Let's see what happens. Okay guys, I'm out 637 here. I see market still don't want to go higher. I see Nasdaq reversing right now. Okay guys, so it's early. We're not even at lunch yet, so we will need to wait for the close trade. Okay, so I'm out of the computer right now. I'm leaving the desk, so I will be at the close of the market and see if I can happen to find something. Okay guys, just came back here. Well, still the market is doing nothing, so we'll call it a day guys. So thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information guys. Thanks for watching.